Vietnam, Vietnam, yeah. Uh, Going to the places where I was going when I was a young boy. As you can see this place, I used to come here with my friends, Yasin, Papa, Jamal. Yeah, this was a very beautiful place. But nowadays, it looks so bad. This road is usually busy because there is a lot of tippers coming around from this place. They take sand from that place that I am going right now to show you. As you can see, we have not yet. This place is very good. Really, guys, I've given permission to be in this place called Murang'a Gorges. Yeah, and coming to this place, first of all, before coming inside here, you have to pay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdi Kenya or Abdi Electricals. Good morning. It's not good morning right now. It is like 12. Let me walk see the road first. Where is my other phone? I hope you hear my sound because this place is very noisy because of water. As you can see, there is a lot of water. Right now it's 12:30. Yeah, today it is on Sunday, and today is my resting day, just enjoying the moment, going to the places where I was going when I was a young boy. As you can see this place, I used to come here with my friends, Yasin, Papa, Jamal. Yeah, this was a very beautiful place. But nowadays it looks so bad. No one is coming to swim. As you can see, there is someone here trying to catch some fish. Let me just go because the water is very noisy. Very noisy. Yeah, today I just decided to bring you here so that I can show you where we used to come when we were young boys in the village, because there was no place to go. This is the place where we usually come and swim. It was the best place where we used to come and do swimming, and we feel very happy. Yeah. And the next video, I just want to go to that hill. As you can see that behind me, there is some gorges there. A lot of tourists or a lot of YouTubers and content creators usually come and record that place. I don't know if it is a free place or you must pay so that you can go there. Right now, after this video, I'm just heading there. It is like 10 kilometers or 11 from here, because I must cross the river because I have a motorbike. So I have to cross the river with the motorbike so that I can go to that place. Where I'm standing from right now, we are in Kirinyaga County, and that place is Murang'a County. So I hope you will enjoy the video, the moment and the adventure. Maybe if you like to come here, I will just show you around the place, how it looks like. Yeah, and we enjoy together. So maybe next time I hope I will have some YouTubers with me. We go together, YouTubers from this place called Kirinyaga. One of the biggest YouTuber here in Kirinyaga, we have Chalukush. Chalukush is the one and only the big YouTuber here right now. And the guy called Only Mawera, but Only Mawera is from Embu. We don't recognize him as Kirinyagians. Yeah, so we have two big machines, Only Mawera and Chalukush. And I'm coming to be number 3 very soon. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, like and share so that I can go and show you the gorges, because like this is a small gorge right here, but right now I just want to go there. But before that, this is the place where I used to come, enjoy, swim with my friends. That time it was like 10 to 15 years ago. Yeah, because right now I'm a very big boy, as you can see. I have my beards, and yeah, that time I did not have any beard. I used to come to swim and care less, but right now I cannot enter this water. As you can see, the water down there, this is River Tana, River Sagana. We call it River Tana because it goes up to Garissa. Yeah, River Tana. We used to come to this place and swim and doing a lot of activities around this place when we were free, when we were out of school, weekends. But right now we are big boys. We just want money. Yeah, when everything becomes big, we just want money. So let us go there. This is my motorbike here. As you can see, I've parked here. Let us go to the gorges. So that, guys, I'm trying to record like this because of the sun, to give me the best recording or the best view, so that we can enjoy the video in the best quality. So let me go to that place. I hope it is free.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Guys, that is our village there, right there, down there, after crossing the river, as you can see. Yeah, so we are going this way. As you can see, this road goes straight to Muranga, and this one goes down there to the gorges. As you can see, that is the place where I came from. It's very far. As you can see, I'm just trying to zooming. Okay. Wow, guys, we have not yet arrived, but as you can see, the road is very wet. this place is very busy, because this road is usually busy because there is a lot of tippers coming around from this place. They take sand from that place that I am going right now to show you. As you can see, we have not yet. This place is very good quiet. As you can see, the sounds of the birds. Listen. Wow, it is very beautiful. So let me discover how I will cross here, because now I'm wearing a very good outfit today and I don't want to spoil it. Yeah, I must cross this place. Guys, I'm telling you that I want to record everything, but I'm using one hand to catch the clutch and I'm using one hand to fuel, so I cannot record. Guys, you are missing a lot of moments, but let us go fast where I promised you to go, so that we can enjoy. Yeah guys, we are here, Murang'a Gorges. They are just right here, as you can see. Wow guys, I have just arrived and just called the number, so that is the number. When you arrive here, you should call the number. So let us wait the person who is coming to guide us and telling us if you are going to pay or not. As you can see, I've just arrived at this place, Murang'a Gorges. You can see, let me just record some few. We have someone coming. Yeah, let us wait. Hi, mambo.
Poa sana.
Oh, wewe ndo uko hapa?
Yeah.
Nimepigia nimefahamisha nimefika hapa. Mimi ni mtu hapa around. So mimi hufanya YouTube. So alikuwa nataka tu kufanya video hapa, maybe unaweza niambia venye kunaendanga.
Oh.
Yeah.
So tunalipanga Android kwa kingine na kuanga 250 per head. Unataka unalipishanga drone, unalipishanga video ikiwa kando.
Video tu, sina drone. Video just natumia simu. Yeah.
Sasa nitakulipisha aje juu. Video nalipishanga 800, drone inakuanga 1,000. Lakini kama ni ya simu tu nachukua.
Ni ya simu tu yangu. I'm doing YouTube.
Utalipa zote 1,000.
Unajua sasa nimeogopa nikuja ni record video alafu mnipate huko, itakuwa mambo mengine. Mpaka uombe ruhusa. Okay. So nikutumie sahi ama nikienda?
Unafaa utume ukiingia.
Nikiingia sahi. Kiacha bike hapa iko sawa?
Niko hapa.
Okay.
Pia niko mbali, nilikuwa hapa saa hii, nyingine nimeenda hizo nikasikia watoto kwa Nikiwa hapa iko sawa, hakuna mtu anaweza nipita.
Ni sawa, asante. Haya.
Jua nji mwenyewe yako wapi, niko wapi? Unajua watu wana
Wow, welcome to Murang'a Gorges. Yeah. Just left my bike there so that I can enjoy the view here. Yeah, nothing is free here, man. See the beautiful places as you can see around here. Finally guys, I've given permission to be in this place called Murang'a Gorges. Yeah, and coming to this place, first of all, before coming inside here, you have to pay. For me, I've paid 1,000 shillings, Kenyan shillings, so that I can be somewhere like this place. As you can see, a very beautiful place where I usually see other YouTubers come and do videos, enjoying here and there. Yeah, wow, no free things here in Kirinyaga, all over the country. You cannot just enjoy the view, because there are people who have discovered before this place can be a tourist attraction place. So even Even the national televisions have come here to do shows here, record videos, and I've seen a lot of Muzungu or white people coming here enjoying, making hikes. Yeah, this place is not a free place. I hope my bike is safe because I have just left right there, and there is a lot of noises. As you can see, this is a Jericho Street. Come here, you must pay nothing for free, guys. Yeah, so that's, let me tell you, if you one day want to open a business, you have to spend so that your business can grow. So even me, I'm just giving out my money so that I can create more videos, good content, so that you can enjoy and my view goes up. Yeah, that is how we create things. And the other thing, we just left it to God so that God can bless you. Just you just need to put work. Other things God will do it for you. Yeah, just do work. Yeah, everything will be fine. I'm not happy because I'm just going there, coming back because I don't feel safe because of my bike. But I believe that girl, she told me that my bike is safe. Let me enjoy small pole. If now I find like right now I'm a Rambo now. Rambo used to come to some places like this and enjoy, make some videos. As you can see, this was brought here by water. Hii liletwa na maji. Let us pass there so that we can go up there. You can see we have a very beautiful place. Wow. Hey, this place is very huge or big. Can I say big or huge? This place. Wow. I see they have just make some roads here so that people like us, we can cruise around and enjoy this place, because as you can see, this place, me and this place, somehow, yeah, the sun is right there at the center. Right now it is 1 p.m. lunchtime. For me, I just decided to come here lunchtime because there's no people around here. Yeah, because no disturbance. Yeah, good place. Wow. Maybe next time I will come with my family. We enjoy together. I show them, because they have never seen these things and they are just around this place. Yeah, maybe one day I will just find myself organized after some few years, maybe when I am commando like Marvel. Yeah, I'll try my best to bring my family here so that we can enjoy together and do some videos. Yeah, maybe. Wow, guys, I am so tired. I'm not that guy used to climb hills every time I am on a motorbike riding, but right now I'm just using my leg. Yaje? Someone is calling me. Hello? Hello? Kata simu. So guys, I'm just here at Murang'a Gorges. You can see people are just collecting sand so that they can sell. People from this place. Nimelipa. Wow. People are so protective. They are asking me if I have paid. Yeah, I've told them that I am paid. People are asking, have you paid to be here, recording here? And I said, yes, I have paid. Now I have a free time to enjoy in this place. Yeah, because I'm a YouTuber, just need to enjoy myself. Yeah, now I'm enjoying my money. You know, every time when you have money, it's not always to eat. Just enjoy like something like this. Duari tu kizungu mingi kizungu inakuwa mingi sana. Wow guys, welcome to Murang'a Gorges. This place is very adventurous. I'm so sweating, as you can see. Yeah, I have my handkerchief. Yeah, this place is very busy because I am seeing a lot of motorbikes crossing here. Someone is calling me again. Hello. Hello. Network is problem here because my network is not working, because as you can see, I'm just at the center of the hills, Murang'a Gorges. Yeah, there is no network here. Even if you call me 10 times, you will not find me here. As you can see, Murang'a. Let me take this as a thumbnail. One to go, maybe like this. Yeah. Yeah. Kabisa, kudos. This place is very dangerous. Wow. But also very beautiful. I feel like going back right now because I don't see anything else that is vibing me again. I've paid like $5 and I've enjoyed watching the Gorges free. No one is asking me who. Yeah, but right now I'm feeling safe because I've paid and no one is asking me money. Maybe we can jump here, as you can see. Maybe we can jump here. What? My phone was falling. So guys, I feel just to go back and take a rest, maybe, or go somewhere else to do another video, because this video is very long. I believe this video is very long. Yeah. Funny thing is that I was going, but when I was preparing myself to go, there are some people and the manager of this place came, and I decided to walk with them inside there so that I can see with them, because I was alone. But we just go there inside and we take some pictures. And right now I'm tired. I'm waiting for my neighbors because they have come with another motorbike and they have seen me here, so they tell me to wait them for here.
Oh, this was a result of soil erosion. Yeah, it happened way back in the year 1987. We are in Murang'a County. Yeah, but some other time people call it Sagana Gorges. No worries about that, because it's close to Sagana town, but we are in Murang'a County, Keharo. So I said it happened as a result of soil erosion way back in the year 1987. It was a meeting point of the waters from Kiamote Forest and Kiambiche Forest. People calls it a hidden gem, but nowadays it's no longer hidden. Yeah, so it's a nice place to adventure. There are no flash floods here, so we assure safety. No quicksand. It's a nice place to explore. Then when you get in, you get a chance to be taken a tour around the gorge. You are shown the best spot for the photos. As you can see, the place looks kind of photogenic. So if you love photos, if you're that guy that really like adventure, this is where you shine. Yeah, one thing like guys to understand is that the gorges changes in terms of depth and patterns as the rainfall water washes it away, but it happened gradually. So each and every rainfall season there must be change, and that's why people don't get bored by visiting. So visit today, visit tomorrow. It's gonna be nice. So if you're in Sagana and its environs, yeah, it's a nice picnic site.
How many kilometers from Sagana?
Just 4 kilometers from Sagana. I guess it's not even for 3.9 km from Sagana. So it's a nice picnic site. You can bring up your loved ones, your family, your kids. Yeah, come let them enjoy. Yeah, let them connect with nature and they wanna do nice. If you have some visitors, then you can do an outdoor. Let them come and see the beauty. Yeah, because when you're here, you can't really tell that you're in Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for the schools that are nearby Sagana and whoever has connection to some other schools outside Sagana, yeah, there is a topic in geography that is covers about limestone, actions of water in limestone areas. We have such. There is the service features that are found in limestone areas. Yeah, like some of the stalagmite, stalactite. Yeah, this is where you come and evidence and you see it by yourself. So you come to adventure, but okay, what we do is we blend education with adventure. Yeah. So bring your students here, they want to learn more. Yeah.
Wow, guys, my bike is just right here. This place is very safe, and as you can see, we have a dust bin. Don't put your things there. Just come and put your things on the dustbin here. Guys, I feel like I'm good and I can go right now. This place is the entrance. You enter there and go down up to the end. This place is very far or very long. Yeah, so I feel like ending my video here maybe. Yeah, this place is very safe and very good place where you can just come and meditate and do your other things. If you have a girlfriend, you just show her there. The best time is the morning and the evening, yeah, to come in this place, because for me I've just come right afternoon, so maybe I can stay here and wait for that girl together. Guys, if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Next video, I think we should go to there. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share. My name is Abdi, and let us meet on the next video.